A design filing submitted to the Indian Patent Office has revealed something BMW's marketing department has kept under wraps until now. The filing gives the public its first clear look at the next-generation BMW S1000RR. The images, which surfaced earlier this week, show a design that is almost identical to the concept RR BMW unveiled at the Concorso di Eleganza Villa d'Este in May 2025. That remarkable similarity is what makes the discovery so significant. Concept motorcycles are usually created to showcase a designer's vision and gauge public reaction before many impractical styling elements are removed for production. This time, however, it appears that BMW has retained most of the concept RR's design. That suggests the company either intended from the beginning for the concept to evolve directly into a production model, or it is taking on the challenge of bringing an unusually ambitious design to the showroom with minimal compromises. Without the dramatic lighting and presentation effects of the show bike, what remains is a superbike that finally abandons the asymmetrical front end that has defined the S1000RR since its debut in 2009. That distinctive face became an iconic feature for many enthusiasts, while others never found it particularly appealing. In its place, BMW has adopted a completely symmetrical front fascia featuring a large central ram air intake. The aerodynamic winglets are now fully integrated into the fairing rather than attached as external add-on components. The motorcycle's overall silhouette is also heavily inspired by the machines currently competing in the FIM World Superbike Championship. On paper, the redesign looks clean, modern, and confident. Whether it truly has a distinctive identity or simply blends into the growing crowd of race-inspired superbikes remains an open question. With nearly every manufacturer embracing MotoGP and World SBK-style aerodynamics, BMW may not need to answer that question just yet. Mechanically, the performance improvements appear far less dramatic than the styling changes. According to leaked information, engine output is expected to increase to 215 horsepower, just 5 horsepower more than the current model's 210 horsepower. Rather than representing a major leap forward, the increase seems to be a careful refinement, likely intended to preserve a clear performance gap between the S1000RR and the more extreme M1000RR positioned above it. Interestingly, the leaked documents provide no information about torque, curb weight, or whether BMW's shift-cam variable valve timing system will remain unchanged. That omission is significant because, with the current S1000RR weighing approximately 198 kilograms ready to ride, BMW's biggest engineering challenge is no longer extracting more power but keeping weight under control while complying with increasingly stringent emissions and safety regulations. Several recent generations of superbikes have struggled to avoid gaining weight as regulatory requirements continue to tighten. It's also worth remembering that the concept RR was built on the M1000RR platform and powered by a 4-cylinder engine derived from BMW's World Superbike race machine, producing more than 230 horsepower. The concept also made extensive use of carbon fiber and aluminum without the production cost constraints or road legal requirements that a mass-produced motorcycle must meet. Many of those premium features are unlikely to carry over unchanged to the production version sold with a factory warranty. Aerodynamic innovations such as the winglets that generate front-end downforce under acceleration and the internal airflow management system will likely survive in principle. However, the exotic materials used on the concept bike will almost certainly be replaced with more cost-effective alternatives suitable for mass production. History has shown that the gap between a concept motorcycle and the version that ultimately reaches dealership showrooms is often much larger than initial images suggest. Meanwhile, reports circulating in Germany claim that production of the next-generation S1000RR is expected to begin in May 2027, with dealer deliveries scheduled for the summer of the same year. BMW, however, has not officially confirmed that timeline. As a result, those reports should be treated with caution, as they are based solely on patent filings and media speculation rather than any formal announcement from the company. The next-generation M1000RR, which is expected to share the same platform, is reportedly planned as a 2028 model. If accurate, that would indicate BMW intends to launch the S1000RR first before introducing the more exclusive M variant. For now, the only fact that can be confirmed is that a design filing has been registered in the Indian Patent Database. Everything else, from the claimed horsepower increase and vehicle weight to the launch schedule, remains speculative. Even so, the newly revealed design images provide the clearest indication yet of the direction BMW is taking with the next-generation S1000RR.